must continue to remain the objective evaluators of evidence that we come across in all of these institutions. We are the last people to give up. We must make sure that we sharpen our tools of analysis, we sharpen our tools of rigor that we apply in performing these audits. And I'm sure all of you will agree that at the end of it, it is a very sound outcome that comes out of this, and we can only contribute to a better managed institutional framework in South Africa. And all the best also for the outcomes that we are busy with now in respect of the PFMA. I'm sure one day all of us will look forward to a day where we are littered with lots and lots of good news, because ultimately these institutions must be helped to become the best that they can be. Thank you.